Okay, please enjoy with the third team, Lift from Chile.
Hello, good morning. Thank you for inviting me and thank you for being here. My name is Marcelo Pisani. I am the co-founder of Lift, and at Lift we design and manufacture sustainable and smart fitness products. This is our first product, as you can see. I don't know if you can see at the back. This is a dumbbell kit made of recycled plastic. Since this plastic is resistant to water, so it doesn't rust as the traditional dumbbell kits, it's customizable because we have 9 different colors for the grips that you can choose, and it's more comfortable than traditional kits because when you use it very strongly, the traditional ones get loose, the grips get loose. This doesn't get loose and you can use it all the time. And we use reusable and recyclable materials, so it's eco-friendly to the environment. We launched the market 3 months ago, and without any marketing campaign, we have sold over 60 units, which is around $40 each, in a B2C business model. Now we're exploring a B2B business model in which we are renting our dumbbell kits to trainers and small gyms that don't have the means to buy large equipments. For example, in Chile, in South America, usually a trainer has, in average, 30 students. If you want to have implements for all those students, you have to spend over $1,000. We only charge 1/10 of the price of that with a monthly fee, meaning that we make it more affordable for them to have implement for all of their students. That's why we're exploring that business model. She is Bernie Allen. She is one of our first customers in the consumer business model that we have. And she liked the product so much that she's starting to rent the products in the B2B business model. She's currently renting over 30 units. And analyzing the market with her, we realized that there is a huge opportunity. There is over 120,000 people just like her in Chile. Yeah, and this makes the market of 140 million just in Chile. In South America, this can be over $800 million for trainers that want this type of products. We have developed a product that is gonna be launched in 3 months, and it's going to attach to our dumbbells. When it attaches, it connects to an application that we have developed, and it can measure and count the repetitions and calories that you burn when you work out. This will not only work for the users because it's going to help trainers track each of their students' progress when they work out. Since the things that they're using right now are very rudimentary, like photographs and papers. This would make more efficient and more centralized for them to track their students. We're a team of 3 people. There are 2 technical people, one industrial designer and one civil engineer, and one commercial manager that is in charge of sales and marketing. And we have alliances in manufacturing, technology, legal, and sales. And we have been funded by the best accelerator in South America, Startup Chile, with a 30,000 seed program that they have back in Chile. We launched over 12 months ago, and only in those 12 months we have developed our product. We are planning on launching a second product in 3 more months. We have been funded by Startup Chile with $30,000, and we're here in Thailand in order to have partners in the electronic component side in order to develop our product, our second product, and launch it to market in a more competitive way. And we are also trying to get a provider in the plastic injection industry here in Thailand. That way we can launch a more profitable product and scale our sales. I would like to invite you to start lifting the weights while we lift the plastic. Thank you very much.
Wow, thank you very much. Next 5 minutes, it's time for yours.
What is your target market in the United States or in?
For now, we are targeting the Chilean market for the next 6 months. We're going to concentrate on the Chilean and South American market. But once the device is done, the device is not only going to work for our dumbbells, it's going to work for any dumbbell in a gym, or if you have a dumbbell kit in your house, it will work for that dumbbell. So that's easier than exporting a dumbbell. So with that product, we're gonna target the US market.
Thank you so much for your presentation. I want to ask, what is the problem that you're trying to solve, or in other ways, what kind of pain points of the customers are you trying to solve with this product?
All right. The user doesn't have a pain point, but the client, the customer as a trainer, they do have pain points. For example, it's very difficult for them to buy upfront products. For example, if you have 30 students in a class, you have to pay over $1,000 just to have equipment for all of them. What we do is that we rent the products in a monthly fee that translates in 10% of what they would pay in a monthly fee. And also, they have, when they record each of the workouts they do with the students, they do it with paper. Now we want to do it with a centralized database with an application that they can have and track each of their students' progress. Those are the pain points. We are also really worried about the plastic that is being used in the world and is not being recycled. That's why we use recyclable plastic.
So do I understand it right, that your products have no difference with any other products on the market, but your point of difference is you are providing a service, a rental service, instead of selling products. Is that right?
You're right. You're right. Except that some of the products that are on the market, they don't have this device. This is totally new. You don't see that anywhere else.
So what are you going to do when the competitors in your market start offering the same rental service to your clients?
They can do that, but they will have to develop a device like ours too, if they want to be competitive.
Similar to the logic that she was asking, let's say if we took your if today you took normal weights and started renting them out, could you do just as much of a business, and if not more?
If
you just started renting weights,
it will not be profitable for me because I make more profit if I manufacture my own dumbbells.
Then what if you manufacture normal weights?
Yeah, that will be the same.
Would you make more money if you did that, or if you did this?
No, I don't think so.
Why?
Because the cost of producing our products is less.
Interesting. Then could you compete with weights all over the world with this product if you have a better cost?
Yeah, of course. Because for this disc is made of 80% plastic and 20% recycled metals. If you want more weight, you can just put more recycled metal in it. This is 1 kilo, and we can get up to 2 kilos.
So you're saying you actually have a cost structure advantage with what you make.
Yes.
That's actually your real value proposition, that you can make weights cheaper than normal people, other companies make weights. Is that right?
But we have a size difference. We cannot make the Olympic weights. That's the difference. Yeah.
One more question. I want to ask about the future of your team. Will you be only making the weight, or are you going to work on other things as well?
We are developing a abs roller. Have you seen the abs roller? It's just a roller that makes you work out the abs. And our device will also attach to that product. Our device is going to attach to any of our next products, so they can track any progress and any workout. That's going to be the next product after the device that we're launching.
For the dumbbell, what is the biggest size you can make from plastic?
The size?
Yeah. What is the biggest size?
Right now, 2 kilos per,
Only 2 kilos.
per disc. So we can get up to 10 kilos in a dumbbell.
Okay.
So this can weigh up until 10 kilos.
Thank you so much. Thumbs up.
Thank you.
Unfortunately, but it was a brilliant presentation. Thank you very much and congratulations. So right now we'll